Okay, I start my trip from Serbia. Who can show me where is Serbia?
Serbia is...
Oh yeah, from Serbia, can I get to Macedonia?
Yes.
Of course.
Macedonia. And what plane do I need to get out of Macedonia?
Blue plane.
Yes, I have a blue plane. And I go to Estonia. Where is it, Estonia?
There is
Okay. You also can say over there.
over there.
Yes. Do I need any plane to go from Estonia to Latvia?
No.
Okay. Do I need any ship to go from Latvia to Lithuania?
No.
So from Lithuania, I headed to Belarus, and from Belarus I went to Russia. From Russia, I sailed via Atlantic Ocean to England.
Oh,
Great trip.
Okay. Okay. Now let me see who will win between of you.